In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Facebook Messenger to ClickFunnels. If you want visitors to start chatting with you without leaving your funnel, a Messenger widget is a fast, reliable solution. We'll take a ready-made widget from a trusted builder and embed it into your ClickFunnels page, so it shows up exactly where you want it. First, head to a widget builder that supports Facebook Messenger, such as Common Ninja or POWR. These tools generate a plug-and-play chat widget for you. Inside the builder, create a new Messenger chat widget and walk through their setup prompts. You'll usually see a live preview so you can fine-tune the look before adding it to your funnel. Next, customize the widget so it matches your brand and feels native to your page. Adjust the button style and colors, pick an icon if one is offered, and write a clear greeting message. Short, friendly text like, "Hi there, how can we help?" often gets the best engagement. Many builders also let you choose placement, like bottom right or bottom left, and decide whether the chat pops open automatically or stays minimized. Once you're happy, click Save. After saving, the builder will provide an embed code, typically a small HTML and JavaScript snippet. Copy the entire code exactly as given. It's important not to edit or trim it, because each part initializes the chat correctly. Now open your ClickFunnels page editor. Go to the specific page where you want the chat to appear. Add a custom HTML or custom code element in the section or row that makes the most sense. Most people place chat near the bottom of the page so it doesn't overlap important buttons. Click into that element and paste the embed code you copied. Double-check that nothing extra was added, like stray spaces or characters, and that the code begins and ends exactly as the builder provided. Save your changes in ClickFunnels, then preview or publish the page. Load it in a fresh browser tab and give it a moment to initialize. You should see the Messenger button appear in the corner you selected. If it doesn't show up right away, refresh the page or try an incognito window to rule out caching or extensions. That's it. You've successfully added Facebook Messenger to your ClickFunnels page, giving visitors an easy way to reach you in real time. As you build more pages, you can repeat this simple process to keep support consistent across your funnel. And if you tweak the widget design in your builder later, most services update automatically, so you won't have to replace the code on every page.